Hi everyone, we're going to go on to our next step in our making our starry night sky. So this one here is on my painted paper and it's pretty much finished. You can see that I have the glowing shining stars and the moon and a swirly nighttime sky. I'm going to set this aside and show you what you're going to be working with. You're going to have oil pastel. Now, I don't have a painted paper anymore, so I'm just using a blue paper to demonstrate. And you can see I've already gone ahead and started my first two swirls for my nighttime sky. And what I did is I took my oil pastel, my white one, and I just made my first swirl like this, kind of like a little spiral. Then I came in from the other side and I did the same thing next to it. Now that's the only drawn line I want to use. My next lines are going to be dash or broken lines, and we're just going to follow that swirl around just like that, and we're going to keep going. And you have this nice white oil pastel to use, but there's some other colors you might want to bring in there as well. And one of those is a really nice light greenish blue, and you can use that, and you just keep adding them on to really make that swirl, that windy feel to the sky. And I'm not going to make you watch me do my whole entire thing. I just want you to see how I get started. Now you also have a dark color. It could be a dark blue or a dark purple. They're all a little bit different, and you can add some of that in there as well. Now at this point I want to start adding my my moon. So over here I'll make a nice, it looks like a full moon right now, and I'm going to add, I don't know, maybe 3 or 5 stars, and all you do for the stars are these circles. And then again, just like we did with the swirl, the windy sky, we make dash or broken lines all around that. And you have different shades of orange and yellow. You can even go back in with the white. And like I said, I'm not going to do every single star here, as my video would be really long that way. But I just want to show you how to get started. Now the hardest part is knowing when you're done, I think. And I'm going to set this one aside, and you can, well, let me just do a couple more here. And I'm going back, and this takes some time to do it. So I would expect this was going to take you, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 minutes class time to get through all of this. All right, so I'm going to set this aside for a minute and just go back to the one that I completed to show you. Now down here you're probably wondering what's going to happen there. Well, I will demonstrate in class how we're going to add the ground here. But I hope you have fun. Be patient. Try to continue using these dash or broken lines to make your shining stars and moon and that swirly nighttime sky. Be patient. It takes some time, and it's kind of fun to see how your picture progresses. So, can't wait to see what you do.